Okay, so this is my iPhone 7 and I've just installed iOS 13 Beta 2, and while it was installing this happened. I was looking over at my phone and it had gone past the stage where the white line was going across and I had the Apple logo. It had gone off and then it came back on with the Apple logo, and I was looking over it and I thought, oh, the cable looks dirty, and actually it's the fumes going up the cable. This part is I'll show close-ups of this. This part is very melted, and this part has just worn away. And I hadn't noticed it being like that before. I can see at this end it's a little bit rough, but yeah, it was smoking and still doing the update. So I whipped the charger out. This bit was really hot. The charger that I've used for years, which is this TechNet one, only had the iPhone plugged into it, and it's still hot now, and it must be like 10 plus minutes afterwards. My phone is alright though. My phone was hot at the time, but then it was installing an update. So I'm sure it's just coincidence. I'm sure iOS 13.2 isn't setting light to cables, but I wanted to do this to show compatibility with Xbox controllers, but I'll do that in the next video. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.